Hey, what's up, y'all? And welcome back to All Things with me, Naja Diane. I know I've been away for a while, but I'm back with more exclusive and bomb videos. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I did this quick U-part installation. I know it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, so stay tuned if you want to find out how your wig can look like it's growing out of your scalp too. All right. Okay, y'all, so I got this wig from Isee Hair. I will put the link down below. It is their Mongolian Kinky Curly. I combed it out. I've already detangled it. I do like a U-shaped part on my natural hair. Again, it's not perfect, and this is what I'll be using for my leave out. You will need a comb for this part and something to hold your hair back as well. I'm going to use this comb right here, this rat tail comb, to part my hair. So I've already, like I said, parted off my leave out section. I'm then going to start from back here. I'm going to start from like right there on this, like not all the way back here, but like towards the front of the back, if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so you just want to do a part. Again, it does not have to be perfect, just enough to do a braid right here, because my U-part wig has combs on the side. So if you can see that, we're basically braiding the hair so that the comb has somewhere to go through. I'm also going to take some hair down this side so that my braid can go from back here all the way around, like behind my ear. I just like doing that because I'm not a really good braider. So if I was just to braid this part, normally people would braid this way, but I don't know how to braid, so I have to braid front towards my face. And so if you're not a good braider, this is a great technique to help you install your own wigs. I start with a little piece, detangle it with my fingers, and then I break it off into 3 sections, because you know that's how a braid starts, with 3 pieces. So here are my 3 pieces, if you can see that. And from there, I begin to braid down. If you want a video specifically on braiding, comment below, and I may can do that for y'all. But again, I'm not the best braider. So my technique when I do braid is I stay as close to my leave out part as possible, because I know that will help me keep my braid straight. So if I feel my hand slipping that way to the right, away from my head, I just make sure I lean back towards, or pull my hands back towards the middle leave out.
Purple clouds when I walk by, and you ain't gotta bring your thing, that's why I brought mine. And we experience some losses on the south side. NBA by money got gun live. Purple clouds when I walk by, and I done lost a bad bitch at least one time. Bill Withers ain't no sunshine when I walk by. When I walk by you, when I walk by you, when I walk by you. You can feel my pain when I walk by you, when I walk by you, when I walk by you. You can feel my pain when I walk by you, when I walk by you.
And my hair is already moisturized, which I recommend doing before you put on a wig. Moisturize your hair. There is the braid. If you can see that, it just starts from back here, goes down. And it's going to allow a place for my comb to sit. If you want your braid a little thicker, you can. I don't want mine that thick because I don't want it to be lumpy or anything. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side.
See these purple clouds when I walk by you, when I walk by you, when I walk by you. See these purple clouds. Man, that shit can get messy, put that on Auntie Nettie. All these niggas smoking a lady, they turn you to spaghetti. Pockets on a diet, cause they full of that lettuce. I feel like Nas from Belly, I'm the king of petty, yeah. So don't cross.
I just take these 2 ends of the braids and put them in with the rest of the hair. And I pull my hair into a low bun, as low as it can go and as small and tight as you can make it. I do this because a lot of times I'm just throwing my wig on for like an audition or a video recording, and I don't have time to braid my hair down all the way. So this way, I'm able to just throw my wig on. That is what I do for the base. I do a braid here, and I pull it into a low button, if you can see. So this could be tighter and smaller. I'm not really pressed because no one's gonna see the back of my head. But if I was going somewhere, I would make this bun a lot smaller and tighter. So yeah, now I'm gonna put the wig on so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I do not recommend sleeping with this on because I did when I made my own wig a couple years ago. The combs was like pulling my hair out right at the part where I would wear it. And I noticed that like over time, I didn't notice it right away, but I was like, my hair's getting thin by my leave out. And it's because I was sleeping with the wig on and leaving it in. So I don't recommend doing that. I do recommend putting like oil either on the combs of the wig or right where you're sticking it in. I'm not going to have this wig on long, so I'm not going to do that today. I'm just about to record an audition and take this wig right back off. So from here, you literally take the wig and the comb. The first comb, I'm going to do my right side, your left, and push it down in there. I'm going to take the other side and take the comb and push it down into the braid that I just made. And you can already see how seamless it is. Now there's a little gap right here, so I'm going to take it out and move it down just a little bit. Now don't keep taking it in and out a lot because you will make your braid loose from the comb just going in and out of the braid. So if this is something you putting on for like a week wear or whatever, I would say make sure your braid is really tight, or even recommend using a little bit of braiding hair if you know how to do that to make your braid tighter and last longer as far as like you taking the wig off and on. So I'm happy with how it looks so far. I'm then going to take my band and make sure it's around my bun in the lower back and on the nape of my hair. So I just pulled that down and then I pulled the wig over the bun. There's another comb back here in the back. I'm just going to stick that into my hair. Sometimes I'll do a braid back there if I'm really trying to be secure. There's also another comb right here. So I'm going to take that and stick it in the braid that's coming down behind my ear for extra security. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side because again there's a comb right here. And I'm just going to stick it in that braid. That's right there. Okay. So that is what you have. Already looking super natural and blending with my hair like crazy. You could even do styles with this, like if you wanted to leave out a little bit more hair and do a braid underneath more leave out and do like leave your hair over this part and then have a bun up top. You could do that. Like there's so many styles you can do with a U-part wig. This feels so secure, like it's not going anywhere. Like it's not. So now I'm going to undo my leave out. I'm going to part it. And Shea Moisture, like, I was sleeping on Shea Moisture. It really leaves my hair moisturized. Like, I don't know why I haven't been using it, but my new fave, like, my hair has never held moisture like this. Like, this is from 2 days ago, maybe even 3. But, yeah, my hair would have been drier than this. Okay, y'all? So, for y'all who have dry hair, I know you feel me. I know you feel me. But yeah, I'm going to part my part down the middle. Now, this part I care about. Like, it needs to be, you know, somewhat straight. I'm still not going to be pressed about no perfect part. But I do care about how this part looks a little bit more. Already, y'all, I'm getting my life. Like, already. And my hair is not even completely blended in yet. So, honey. U-parts are my fave because they just look so natural and so good. And I don't gotta worry about my edges lifting up with the got to be glue under there. Y'all be looking crazy, I'm just saying. But yeah, U-parts are my fave. I freaking love a U-part curly wig. Like, whoever introduced me. Thank you. This is what it's given before I even blend my hair. Get into it. Okay. The wig come on, I'm a different person. Like, sis, don't talk to me, okay? So I'm about to show y'all real quick how I blend my hair. I have some, like, again, some Shea Moisture Curly Enhancing Smoothie. I'm gonna put a little bit of that. My hair's a little damp. If you have a spray bottle, you could totally use that. So I just put like a pea size, and I'll put some on my hands, and I'm just going to put it on my hair all around. And don't be afraid to get that product in your wig because it can stand it. It's curly human hair. So I'm in love with this freaking hair. Like, y'all don't even understand. I haven't put my wig on. I've had this wig since July or August. What is it? November. And I just take it off and on when I need it. So for it to still look this good, like, I'm just in love with this hair. Like, every time I put it on, it's just amazing. I'm gonna just spray my real hair, my leave out a little bit, not too much. Don't forget about the little bit of hair that's in the back covering the back of the wig, which I probably could have left some more out. So I'm gonna just comb that back like that, so that I make sure that is covered. So that's why you want to leave a good amount of leave out. Put a little bit of Eco Styler on there as well. I'm just literally doing a finger boop in all the products because it's not that much hair out. Just put a little bit of that after I wet it. However you would do your natural curly hair, you know, when all of it's out, I would just recommend doing the same. I'm going to put a little bit more water on this side because my hair wants to be fake stringy right now and not curl up. But no fear, the demi brush can fix it. Or whatever y'all call it. I'll take this brush and brush my hair with the wig and somewhat blend it. So I haven't worn this wig in so long and my hair wants to be fake straight right now. But it's cool because it still blends pretty good. I'm just going to wet the wig hair too. Okay, that spray bottle just went crazy. But yeah, I'm just going to... Okay, you want to do your own thing, spray bottle. Let's go. I'm just going to wet the wig at the ends. That spray bottle got a mind of its own. But I like to take a hard brush too and brush my hair with the wig. And you just play with it, you know, until it's your desired look. That's how I install my U-part wig. Oh, come on. Oh, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was just going to walk off here with these edges looking like this? Hold on. Wait a minute. Sometimes when my hair is acting real stringy like that too, I just put it behind my ear. And then you really can't tell, like, sis, that hair coming out your scalp right away. So I'll take a little bit of this. My favorite foaming mousse is almost gone. Lotta Body, it works wonders, okay? Wonders. This is the best foaming mousse ever. Like, just take that and I put that all around as well. Because it just does something to my hair. It sets it, makes it look so good. Make sure you take care of your curly hair too, because, honey, when she gets tangled and dry, y'all is fighting. Okay, it's a fight, it's a brawl. So yep, I put a little bit of that on there. Oh my god, I look, this wig is everything. My edge brush is ratchet looking, but I love it. So I'll give me one. Okay, so you take some edge control and you just lay your edges. I'm telling you, everybody would thinking this is my hair. And I'll be like, thank you. I'll tell my sisters, like, yeah, girl, this sis. It's not me. But I can tell you where to get her. So yep, I just lay my edit. That's pretty much it, y'all. I mean, you tell me what you think in the comments below. Because, hey, this wig is everything and then some. So that's it for my seamless installation. And y'all can't even see the bun in the back. Like, you can't tell that my hair is not flat in the back from this view. But I'll turn around so y'all can see that you still can't see that there's a bun in the back, okay? Talk about it. Talk about it. You don't see a bun, okay? So yes, let me know if you utilize my installation method and how it worked out for you and what you did like or didn't like, whatever. Let's communicate. Yeah, I'm in love right now with how I look with this wig on, and it just looks so natural. So yeah, quick and easy. I'm out the door. So try it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show me some love, and I'm gonna come back to y'all. I'm gonna be loyal. I'm gonna be back with some more videos because I know y'all miss me because I miss y'all. But yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see y'all soon. Follow me on everything at Naja Diane.